Good morning. I'm here about admission for my sons, Sam and Alex. Oh, good morning, sir. Please have a seat. How can I help you? Well, both boys will be joining the school next month. I wanted to ask about the hostel. Oh, I see. That's exciting. How old are they? Sam is 16 and Alex is 14. They're looking forward to it. That's a good age. We have many students around their age. Oh, that's nice to hear. Alex is a little nervous, though. That's completely normal. Most new students feel that way at first. I figured that. I just want them to be comfortable. Of course, we work hard to make students feel welcome. And another thing, can they stay in the same building? Oh, yes. Since they're brothers, we can usually arrange that. Great. That would make things easier for them. I agree. It often helps younger students adjust. Oh, good. What are the rooms like? They're simple and comfortable. Each student has a bed, desk, and closet. That's all they need. Nothing fancy. Oh, most parents say the same thing. And what about meals? We serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. Oh, that's good. Alex can be a picky eater sometimes. Don't worry. There are usually several choices. That's a relief. He'll appreciate that. Oh, I'm sure he will. Do students have study hours? Yes, they do. There's a quiet study period every evening. Oh, excellent. Sam takes his studies seriously. That's great. He should fit in well here. And are there sports and clubs too? Oh, absolutely. We have sports teams and different student clubs. Perfect. Sam loves basketball. Oh, he'll enjoy our basketball program then. And Alex likes computers. We have a technology club he might enjoy. Oh, that sounds great. They'll both be happy here. I think so too, sir. I brought all their documents with me. Oh, wonderful. Let me check them. So, can we complete the admission today? Yes, sir. Everything looks good. We can start the paperwork right now.
Boys, the admission is done. Everything went smoothly.
Oh, that's great, Dad. I was hoping there wouldn't be any problems. So we're officially staying here now?
Yes, you are. The staff seems friendly, and the hostel looks good.
Oh, that's nice to hear. I was curious about the rooms.
Oh, the rooms are simple but comfortable. You'll each have enough space for your things.
Will we be in the same building?
Yes, I asked about that. They said they'll keep you close to each other.
Oh, that's awesome. It'll make things easier. I'm glad. I didn't want to be too far away.
That's understandable. It's a big change for both of you.
Oh, I'm actually excited about it. I'm excited too, just a little nervous.
That's normal. Most students feel that way at first.
Did you ask about sports?
Oh yes, they have a basketball program.
That's perfect. I can't wait to join. What about clubs?
They have several clubs, including a technology club.
Oh, that's cool. I might join that.
I thought you'd like that.
Did they say anything about study hours?
Yes, there's a quiet study period every evening.
Oh, good. That'll help me stay focused. What about the food?
I asked about that too. They serve 3 meals a day.
Oh, that's good. Hopefully the food is decent.
Well, you'll find out soon enough.
I think we'll be fine.
That's the attitude I like to hear.
Mom is probably going to miss us.
Oh, she definitely will. She was already talking about calling you every day.
That sounds like Mom. Oh yeah, she'll want updates all the time.
Well, make sure you call her. It'll mean a lot to her. We will, Dad.
Yeah, we promise.
Good. Now go get settled in and make yourselves at home.
Thanks, Dad. We'll make you proud. Oh yeah, we'll do our best.
Alex, we need to buy a few things before we move into the hostel.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot about that.
First, let's get some notebooks and pens.
Good idea. I'm always losing my pens.
Ah, that's because you're careless sometimes.
Oh, come on, not all the time.
Well, let's start with the school supply section.
Sure. We need folders too.
Ah, these notebooks look pretty good.
Oh, yeah, and they're on sale.
Nice. Let's grab a few of them.
What about backpacks?
Ah, mine is getting old. I should get a new one.
Oh, look at this black backpack. It looks cool.
Yeah, it does. I think I'll take it.
I need one too.
Ah, don't spend too much money.
Oh, relax. I'm just looking.
We also need toiletries.
Right. Toothpaste, shampoo, and soap.
Hostel life is gonna be different.
Oh, definitely. No mom reminding us about everything.
Yeah, we'll have to take care of ourselves.
That's a little scary.
Ah, you'll get used to it.
Oh, I hope so.
Look, there's the bedding section.
We need pillows and blankets, right?
Yeah, let's pick something comfortable.
Oh, this blanket feels really soft.
Oh, that's nice. Take it if you like it.
Thanks. What else do we need?
Maybe a laundry basket.
Oh, good call. I didn't think of that.
Ah, that's why you have me.
Oh, sure. Mr. Responsible.
Hey, someone's gotta be.
I guess you're right.
I think we're almost done shopping.
Oh, good. My feet are getting tired.
Alex, we should start packing now. Oh, yeah, we leave for the hostel tomorrow. First, pack your clothes. Don't wait until the last minute. Okay, how many shirts should I take? Take enough for at least a week. Oh, that makes sense. Did you pack your school supplies yet? Not yet. They're still on my desk. Go get them before you forget. Oh, right. I'll be back in a minute. Don't forget your notebooks and folders. I got them. Everything's here. Good. Put them in your backpack. Oh, wow. There's a lot more stuff than I thought. That's because you're taking everything you own. Maybe a little. You don't need 5 hoodies. Oh, come on. What if I need them? Trust me, you won't. Fine. I'll leave a couple behind. That's better. Did you finish packing already? Oh, almost. I just need to pack my shoes. You're way more organized than me. Somebody has to be. Oh, there you go again. Well, it's true. Do you think we'll like the hostel? I think so. It'll be something new. Oh, I'm excited and nervous at the same time. That's normal. I feel the same way. Really? Yeah. It's our first time living away from home. Oh, that actually makes me feel better. Good. We'll figure things out together. Thanks, Sam. No problem. That's what brothers do. Oh, looks like we're finally ready. Yeah, tomorrow starts a new adventure.
Boys, is everything packed and ready?
Oh yeah, Dad. I checked my bags twice. I think I'm ready too.
Good. The taxi should be here any minute now.
This is really happening. Oh man, I'm starting to feel nervous again.
That's normal, Alex. It's a big day.
The taxi is here.
All right, let's load the bags.
These suitcases are heavier than I thought. That's because you packed too much stuff. Maybe you're right.
Come on, boys. Let's get going.
The ride feels different today.
That's because you're heading to a new chapter in your lives.
When you say it like that, it sounds serious.
Well, it is important. You're growing up.
I'm excited to meet new people.
That's a good attitude.
Oh, I hope my roommate is nice.
I'm sure you'll get along with him.
Dad, were you nervous when you left home?
Very nervous. But I learned a lot from the experience.
Oh, really?
Yes, it helped me become independent.
That's what Mom keeps saying.
She's right. You'll both learn a lot.
I'm going to miss home, though.
That's understandable. We're going to miss you too.
Oh, we'll call every week.
Ah, your mother would prefer every day.
Oh yeah, that sounds like Mom.
Ah, definitely. Look, boys, we're almost there.
I can see the hostel building. Oh wow, it looks bigger than I expected.
Well, this is it. A new beginning for both of you.
We're ready, Dad. Yeah, let's do this.
Welcome, boys. You must be Sam and Alex. Oh, yeah, we just arrived a few minutes ago.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. How was the trip? It was pretty good. The ride wasn't too long. Oh, yeah, we got here faster than I expected. That's good to hear. Are you excited about your first day? Definitely. I'm looking forward to it. I'm excited, but a little nervous, too. Oh, that's completely normal. Most new students feel that way. That makes me feel better. Well, let me show you around first. Oh, cool. I'd like to see the place. This hallway leads to the student rooms. It looks really nice. Oh, and the study room is right over there. That's bigger than I expected. We also have a recreation room for free time. That's awesome. Oh, do students hang out there often? Yes, they do. It's a popular spot after classes. Sounds like fun. Now let me show you your room. Oh, great. I've been waiting to see it. Here we are. This room is yours. Wow, it's actually pretty comfortable. Oh, yeah, I like it. You'll each have your own bed and desk. That's perfect. When do we meet the other students? Oh, you'll meet them at dinner tonight. That's good. I'd like to make some friends. I'm sure you will. Everyone is very welcoming. Oh, I hope so. Don't worry, you'll settle in quickly. Thanks for helping us. You're welcome. If you need anything, just ask. Oh, we will. Great. Enjoy your first day at the hostel, boys.
It's finally quiet in here.
Yeah, it's been a long day.
So, what do you think of the hostel so far?
It's nice, but it still feels strange.
I know what you mean.
Oh, I keep thinking about home.
Yeah, I was thinking about Mom and Dad too.
Mom is probably wondering what we're doing right now.
She's probably waiting for us to call.
Oh, definitely. You know how she is.
Yeah, she worries about everything.
I kinda miss that already.
Me too.
Oh, remember how Dad kept checking our bags before we left?
Yeah, he asked if we packed everything at least 10 times.
That was pretty funny.
It was.
Oh, I miss sitting in the living room after dinner.
Yeah, home feels different when you're away from it.
Do you think Mom misses us?
I'm sure she does.
Oh, she's probably telling Dad to call us right now.
Yeah, I can totally see that happening.
This room feels a little empty.
Give it some time. It'll start feeling like home.
Oh, I hope so.
We just got here today.
You're right.
Besides, we're together. That helps.
Yeah, I'd be a lot more nervous if I was alone.
Same here.
Thanks for looking out for me.
That's what big brothers do.
Oh, don't get all emotional on me.
I'm not.
We should call Mom and Dad later.
Definitely. They'll be happy to hear from us.
Oh yeah, let's do that before bed.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your first day of class.
Good morning, Mr. Wilson.
Oh, it's great to see so many new faces. I hope you're all ready for a great year.
This classroom looks nice.
Yeah, it does. All right, everyone. Let's start with introductions.
Oh, okay.
Let's begin with our new students. Sam, would you like to go first?
Sure.
My name is Sam Carter. Great. Where are you from, Sam?
I'm from Chicago. I just moved into the hostel with my brother.
That's interesting. Welcome to the class. Thanks, Mr. Wilson. Alex, you're next.
Hi everyone, I'm Alex Carter.
Ah, welcome, Alex. What do you enjoy doing?
Oh, I like computers and video games.
That's great. I'm sure you'll find friends with similar interests. Thanks. All right, who would like to go next?
I can go.
Excellent. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Jake. I love basketball and music.
Ah, very nice, Jake.
Oh, my name is Ethan. I enjoy reading and soccer. Great introduction, Ethan. Everyone seems friendly. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. Now that we've met each other, let's talk about class rules. Oh, okay. First, be respectful to everyone. Yes, sir. Second, come prepared and be on time. Got it. And don't be afraid to ask questions. Oh, that's good to know. I think I'm going to like this class. Wonderful. Let's have a great year together.
Our first day of class is finally over.
Oh yeah, it went by faster than I expected.
So what did you think?
Honestly, it wasn't bad at all.
I told you not to worry so much.
Oh, come on, I had a right to be nervous.
Yeah, I guess you did.
The teacher seemed pretty nice.
Mr. Wilson was friendly.
Oh, and the students were nice too.
Yeah, I talked to a few people during lunch.
I met a guy named Ethan.
That's cool. Did you get along?
Oh yeah, we talked about video games.
Nice. Sounds like you already made a friend.
Maybe.
Look at this garden. It's peaceful out here.
Oh, definitely. It's quieter than the hostel.
Yeah, it's a good place to relax after class.
I think I'll come here often.
Me too.
Oh, are you still thinking about home?
A little, but not as much as yesterday.
Same here.
I think we're starting to get used to this place.
Oh yeah, it's beginning to feel normal.
That's a good sign.
We should call Mom and Dad tonight.
Definitely. They'll want to hear about our first day.
Oh, Mom is going to ask 100 questions.
Yeah, and Dad will ask if we're following the rules.
Sounds about right.
I'm glad we're doing this together.
Oh, me too.
Well, we should head back soon.
Yeah, dinner will start soon.
Let's go then.
Oh, and tomorrow is another new day.